Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 4th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is India's rank in the Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024? Answer is 39th. The World Economic Forum WEF recently released its Travel and Tourism Development Index for 2024. India has secured the 39th position among 119 countries in the 2024 Travel and Tourism Development Index with score of 4.25. United States is topped the ranking with score 5.24, followed by Spain in second position, Japan in third position, France in fourth position, and Australia in fifth position. In the previous index published in 2021, India was ranked 54th. Question number 2. India's largest hydro pumped storage plant will be set up in. Answer is Karnataka. The Central Electricity Authority has recently approved 2 hydro pumped storage plants in the country. One will be built in Karnataka and another in Odisha. The 2000 megawatts Sharavathi hydro pumped storage plant is being developed on the river Sharavathi in the Shimoga district of Karnataka. The 8,000 crore rupees 2000 megawatts Sharavathi project is the country's largest pumped storage power generation unit. The 600 megawatts Upper Indravati pumped storage plant will be built in Kalahandi district of Odisha. Question number 3. Which country plans to build the world's first thorium molten salt nuclear power plant? Answer is China. China plans to build the world's first nuclear power plant, NPP, that will be fueled by liquid fuel based on molten thorium salt in the Gobi Desert, China. The construction of the plant will begin in 2025 with the aim of developing safer and more environmentally friendly nuclear energy. The reactor is scheduled to be completed and operational in 2029, generating heat at a maximum power of 60 megawatts. Question number 4. Who has become India's youngest Olympic referee in boxing? Answer is Kabilan Sai Ashok. Lieutenant Colonel Kabilan Sai Ashok, a serving Indian Army officer, has become the youngest Olympic referee in boxing from India at the Paris Olympics 2024. He is currently serving in Indian Army as Joint Secretary at Services Sports Control Board. India's boxing contingent for the 2024 Paris Olympics consists of 6 pugilists, with 2 male and 4 female athletes. Question number 5. Which startup has become India's third unicorn in 2024? Answer is Rapido. Rapido is the third Indian startup to become a unicorn this year after fintech Perfuse and AI upstart Kritrim. Rapido, a ride-hailing startup founded in 2015, achieved unicorn status in 2024 after raising $120 million. Rapido, which competes with Ola and Uber, has launched subscription-based plans for autorickshaw drivers on its platform instead of charging booking fees or commission on every transaction. Question number 6. Who has presided over the 52nd Conference of Governors? Answer is Draupadi Murmu. President Draupadi Murmu presided over the 52nd Conference of Governors at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on 2nd August 2024. The two-day 52nd Conference of Governors, which organized on 2nd and 3rd August, attended by the President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and various other cabinet ministers of the Modi government. This was the first time that President Murmu was presiding over the Conference of Governors. Question number 7. How much loan will be provided by the Government of India to Vietnam? Answer is $300 million. The Government of India has announced to loans totaling $300 million to Vietnam during the visit of the Prime Minister of Vietnam, Pham Minh Chinh. The loan is for strengthening Vietnam's maritime security. The Vietnamese Prime Minister was on an official 3-day, from 30th July to 1st August 2024, visit to India. 9 agreements were signed between India and Vietnam during the visit of the Vietnamese Prime Minister, Pham Minh Chinh. Question number 8. Who has become the 6th associate member of the Caribbean Community, CARICOM? Answer is Curacao. Curacao has become the 6th associate member of the Caribbean Community, CARICOM, the oldest surviving integration movement in the developing world. With this, CARICOM now consists of 15 full member countries and 6 associate members. CARICOM, originally the Caribbean Community and Common Market, was established by the Treaty of Chaguaramas, executed by Barbados, Guyana, Jamaica, and Trinidad and Tobago on 4 July 1973 and come into effect on 1 August 1973. Question number 9. India's first near-field communication card sound box was launched by. Answer is Paytm. Noida-based 197 Communications Limited, Paytm's parent company, has launched India's first near-field communication card sound box, a 2-in-1 mobile quick response payment device which combines NFC card payment technology with mobile QR payments. Near-field communication, NFC, is a technology that allows wireless data transfer between devices that are close to each other, typically within a few centimeters. Question number 10. Earth Overshoot Day 2024 was recently observed on which date? Answer is 1st August. Earth Overshoot Day is an annual observance that marks the date when humanity's demand for ecological resources and services, ecological footprint, in a given year exceeds Earth's capacity to regenerate for the year, biocapacity. Earth Overshoot Day 2024 falls on 1st August, signifying that humanity uses nature 1.7 times faster than ecosystems can regenerate. Earth Overshoot Day 2023 was observed on 2nd August. The first Earth Overshoot Day was calculated on 25th December 1971. Question number 11. Dadra Nagar Haveli Liberation Day is celebrated every year on. Answer is 2nd August. The geographical boundary of Dadra Nagar Haveli, spread over an area of 491.00 square kilometers, falls between Gujarat in the north and Maharashtra in the south, and on 2nd August 1954, it was liberated from the Portuguese rulers by the people. In memory of this, Dadra Nagar Haveli Liberation Day is celebrated every year on 2nd August. Question number 12. Indian Organ Donation Day is observed every year on. Answer is 3rd August. Indian Organ Donation Day is observed every year from the 3rd of August, commemorating India's first successful deceased donor heart transplant on 3rd August 1994. India observed the 14th Organ Donation Day on 3rd August 2024. The theme for Organ Donation Week 2024 is Leave Them Certain, which promotes having conversations with loved ones about organ donation. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.